I'm standing here today at Molly Hill Farm that's owned and operated by Tim and Tracey Gay. Once they bought this property back in 2017, they quickly realized that they had some natural resource issues. They contacted us, and we've been working with them ever since. We consider them cooperators, meaning that they were working jointly to solve and resolve sediment and also water quality issues.
And I needed a little bit of TLC. Perfect. So we decided to see what was available to us within the county. We do have to have a nutrient management plan like all our equine facilities, and when we went to them, they told us about soil conservation, and we began then.
Once we did our inventory evaluation, we strategized and we came up with a conservation plan, just approach to address the resource issues they had on the farm. But what they did through that enabled them to establish 1,775 linear feet stream restoration. It also included 2,250 linear feet of exclusion fencing, and that to prevent the horses from getting into those sensitive areas near the stream.
We were able to put in some automatic waterers, and we were able to reconfigure our fences so that the horses don't utilize the stream for their drinking water. In the summer, they actually love it. You'll see quite a few of them playing in it and pulling off a little bit. And it is wonderful. They're so easy to use. You don't have to worry about them freezing. They're easy to keep clean.
We have a stream restoration project, which brings the stream back to how it should be in nature. We have erosion control through keeping vegetative cover, nice thick green grass on the pastures.
Also was established 2 acres of riparian forest buffer, and we also had sections of heavy use area that was installed, and they upgraded 2 stream crossings. There were 2 culvert crossings that were replaced.
These projects can be expensive, so there's funding that helps with those expenses, one of which is the state of Maryland Agricultural Cost Share Program.
It's one of the benefits of having the people at soil conservation that they can help you with that.
That's kind of the beauty of what soil conservation does. That when you put it all together, it's something that works for the environment and also works for the farm owner. It makes their job easier.